Hello. Today is Blood Donation Day, and obviously, a lot of us know our responsibility as donors. But today is also quite a shocking day for all of us who a few hours ago have heard of the tragic death of a 34-year-old star called Sushant Singh Rajput. I think it's shocking in Mumbai to have a 34-year-old talented life lose hope and commit suicide. My appeal to all of you, not just Mumbaikars, but people who are sitting at home in lockdown, let's be positive and let's believe that life is beautiful. Let's not waste it and lose it to mental health issues. We go back to the same story, which is health is wealth. But the sad part is that if we have people from varied walks of life who have done well, who lose hope, it really gives you a certain kind of a shock. I remember having given Sushant Singh Rajput an award at one of these award functions, and he was extremely talented. I remember his role in Chichore, and ironically, Chichore is a movie where he played the role of teaching people not to commit suicide. So, my appeal to all of you is please stay happy, stay safe, and believe that your mind, body, and soul needs to coexist. Uh, I see a lot of people have joined. There's Shivam who's saying it's a shocking movement. There is somebody who says he was an inspiration. I see that Sunil Grover too has joined. For all of you who have joined just now, 2020 has been a very, very tragic year. And I'm sure Vijeta, Yogi Rajanji, Pavan would all agree with what I want to say, which is that 2020 has come with its share of surprises, its share of shocks, whether it's corona, whether it's fighting mental illnesses, whether it's losing popular personalities like Rishi Kapoor or Irfan Khan or Wajid or today Sushant Singh Rajput or even the common citizen. The point here is that we have to be in a happy mind space, and that happy mind space is only determined by you and me. Let's go into all the avenues that keep us happy, whether it's spending more time with our families, whether it's doing yoga, whether it's meditating. जो आपको लगता है कि सिर्फ घर में बैठ के आपको कुछ आर्ट वर्क करना है या फिर सोच समझ के कुछ खाना पकाना है, डू वॉट एवर गिव्स यू हैप्पीनेस. और जीवन जो है वो भगवान ने दिया है, तो किसी के पास ये हक नहीं बनता है कि हम स्वयं अपने आप को विनाश करें, क्योंकि जब हम ऐसे करते हैं तो अपने परिवार और जो हमारे चाहने वाले हैं उनको जो दुख होता है उसको भी कभी कभार सोचिए. तो आज मैं कंडोलेंसेस देना चाहती हूँ, नमन देना चाहती हूँ सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और उनके परिवार को, लेकिन मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहती हूँ कि हमें सब ये जो फेज़ है लाइफ का 2020 में जो इतने सारे शॉक्स आए हैं, we need to ensure that we have a happy mind space, and the new age disease is mental health issues. So let's not avoid it. चर्चा कीजिए, बात कीजिए. आपके पास कोई है जिससे आप चर्चा कर सकते हैं तो प्लीज़ कृपया बातचीत कीजिए, क्योंकि मैं मानती हूँ कि आज के परिप्रेक्ष्य में हमने एक अच्छे कलाकार को खोया है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमें ये भी देखना है कि हम सब अपने परिवार को सुरक्षित कैसे रखें. And I see Vishal ji has joined, Viren ji has joined, Mohammed has joined. Lots of other people are giving lots of comments right now. Just ponder over this. Let's give a condolence which is befitting not just to popular mascots like Sushant Singh Rajput, but to the others who are also struggling. But more importantly, we should ensure that we have positive thoughts. And I, for one, have removed all negativity. Anyone who is negative around you, please stay away from them. Anyone who gives you all kinds of negative impact or negative comments or is constantly tokoing, please stay away from them. Stay positive, and the only way to stay positive is to have a happy mind space and to really believe that God is watching every one of us. The ones who do right, the ones who do wrong, the ones who believe that they are always right. Sometimes you may be wrong. So I would only want to say, let's be positive, no negative thoughts, and let's always realize that whether it's inspiration from a movie like Chichore, where you had the talented actor fighting suicide, succumbing to it, there is a learning. And the learning is that this lockdown has been hard, but all of us have our own problems, all of us have our own positives, and all of us have a lot of people who are negative. Stay away from the negative, be positive, and believe me, there will be relief. 2020 cannot go on with only shocks. There will be surprises, there will be happiness too. Thank you for joining. And for all of you who are here, I'd only want to say, let's see the positive sides always, and let's always thank God with gratitude. And with gratitude, we also give our grievances and our condolences to Sushant Singh Rajput and his entire family.